Everybody uses things made of plastic, as well as things that come to us in plastic. There are many types of plastic, and they are all light in weight, low in cost, and can be used in all weathers. And they last long, really long. The funny thing is, we don't usually end up using plastic for very long ourselves. We throw away plastic bags, plastic cups and bottles, chips and chocolate wrappers, plastic straws, spoons, plates, and we throw them almost immediately after using them. Plastic is made of certain chemicals that do not decompose easily. Anything plastic takes a really long time to go away, and in that time, it does a lot of damage. But a lot of trash falls out of the garbage bins or is thrown away casually, carelessly, anywhere. What happens to that plastic? Well, it goes into our drains, our ponds, our lakes and rivers, and one way or the other ends up in our oceans. In all the oceans, everywhere in the world, there is a lot of plastic, floating on the surface and sunken like treasures in the deepest parts. Because of the waves and the sun, plastic things in the ocean break down into smaller pieces of plastic. The oceans are the home of many types of fish, animals, and even birds. They are not used to seeing brightly colored and slow-moving things in the ocean. They think it's food, and so they swallow these small pieces of plastic. Many mama and papa birds roam around for food. They return with plastic and feed them to their little babies. Their stomachs get filled. They think they are full and don't eat the food that they actually need. And because they haven't got the nutrition they need, they die. And when their stomachs are opened, it isn't a pretty sight. There are many, many, many ocean creatures that have died because of eating plastic. If you go to the beach, you will get some idea of the plastic that is out there in the oceans. Some of what is in the ocean comes back to the beach when the tide is low. And if we don't pick it up and properly get rid of it, it goes back into the water and causes more harm to the poor little birds, the fish, and the turtles. The oceans and the seas are home to some of nature's most special creatures. There are already more pieces of plastic in the oceans than there are fish. Each one of us must do something about the plastic that is out there. We must promise to use less plastic and throw away even lesser. Let's do something nice for the animals in the ocean, for nature, and for our mother, planet Earth.